Hey guys, Anthony wrapped up installing the 2260S in the 1.8. It still has the GLI camshaft in it. So the 2260 is installed. We did all the dyno portion. I think we did like 7 revisions on this, and we actually ended up pretty much back up to where we ended on the IS38 GLI cam tune. We were just trying to improve spool, because with this cam and this turbo, it's extremely lazy. Like full boost is 3,700, 3,800 RPM. Personally, I think that's a little too lazy. And then if you combine that with because this has a 6-speed in it from a GLI, so it's a close ratio boxer, it's not too bad. But in a car like the sport wagons that have very long gear ratios, not ideal. Aside from that, we did our revisions on pump gas, got really good results. It like top end charges there, it's like 300 and I think it was 74 horsepower we made, somewhere around there. I don't remember exactly. And torque, I honestly don't remember. I think it was 350, because that was like, we're filming this a couple of days after the fact. Really good on pump gas, makes a lot of power, more than what we made with an IS38 on ethanol, just to put that into context. But we did run into an issue with our MPI setup. On this car, I imported a 1.8 high pressure pump from Europe, which has the port on the side, so we could run OEM style setup with the plastic fuel rail, it was OEM. Just wanted to see how far we can go on OEM components. Obviously the fuel injectors are not OEM, they're Bosch 980s. But we ran into an issue where we were actually seeing the low pressure side, like fuel pressure, drop off during a pull. Not enough to be unsafe, but we would drop in like 2 bar. This setup, the fuel pump that's in the tank, and the injectors are the same as what's in RS3. We don't have that problem. The only difference was the high pressure pump and the outlet and the plumbing. So what we have done is plug this port on the high pressure pump and put a T-fitting in, and now we need to put it back on the dyno and see if that fuel pressure drop has stopped or lessened. We couldn't really tune it out, so it's more of a mechanical problem than anything. That leads us into, if that's fixed, we're gonna put ethanol on it and see how much power we can make on ethanol. And that's probably going to be a week from now, because we have a different car on the dyno this week. But yeah, stay tuned.